Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here down to the system and update section. Here you will see the developer options. Just click here, and to hide developer options you should click here once on the switcher, and as can you see, we'll just go back to the system and updates menu here automatically, and the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.